How to change S2S Wi-Fi password.
Make sure your Wi-Fi modem is on and you're connected. Check the user and password that can be seen at the back of your modem. Go to then search the IP of your modem 192.168.1.1 like for example 192.168.1.1. Type your username and password that can be seen at the back of your modem. In case you've already forgotten, use toothpick or any tools that will fit the hole. Then hold press for 10 seconds. Wait for the lights to disappear and back to normal. Enter the username and password that can be seen at the back of your modem. Then click Login. Finally, you can now change your Wi-Fi password. Congratulations!